Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Made Easy. So in today's video we have this beautiful problem that we want to solve. So we want to show that 1 plus x, that is the sum of this geometric sequence 1 plus x squared plus dot 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 plus x raised to the power of n. So we want to show that this is equal to 1 minus x raised to the power of n plus 1 over 1 minus x. So where x is not equal to 1. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and then also share. Okay, so let's dive into the solution. So how do we solve this beautiful problem? Now this is what we are going to do. We are going to let Sn be equal to this summation of this geometric sequence. That is 1 plus x squared plus dot 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 dots plus x raised to the power of n. Now, next thing we are going to do is to multiply both sides by x. So if we do that, we are going to have x multiplied by Sn is equal to 1 times x will give us x. X times x will give us x squared. X squared times x will give us x cubed. Okay? Plus dot 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 plus x raised to the power of n multiplied by x will give us x raised to the power of n plus 1. Now, next thing we are going to do now is to subtract. So we subtract, what are we going to have? That is Sn minus x multiplied by Sn. There is no 1 in our x multiplied by Sn. So 1 minus 0 will give us 1. Minus x will give us 0. X squared minus x squared will give us 0. Okay, so let me just write plus 0. Plus 0. After x squared here will be x cubed. X cubed minus x cubed will also give us 0. Okay, plus dot 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 dots. Plus, before x raised to the power of n plus 1 here, we have x raised to the power of n. So x raised to the power of n minus x raised to the power of n will give us 0. Okay, then plus, 0 minus x raised to the power of n plus 1. So that will give us minus x raised to the power of n plus 1. So that is what we are going to have. Now, let's move on, guys. So then we are going to have, you can factor out xn here. So we have Sn into bracket 1 minus x, okay, is equal to, so everything here is just 0. So what you have now is 1 minus x raised to the power of n plus 1. Now next thing you are going to do to make Sn the subject of the formula, so you divide both sides by 1 minus x. So over 1 minus x. Then we are going to have Sn is equal to 1 minus x raised to the power of n plus 1. Then everything over 1 minus x. So where x is not equal to 1. And that is the proof to that given statement. So if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share. See you next time. Thank you.